Hey, welcome back. You are watching this video because you don't just want to speak English, you want to own it, and I know that. Today is day 12 and this class is not just important, it's a game changer. And before we start, I know some of you might be thinking, Sir, why are we learning everything in English? What's the point? So let me tell you something very clearly, guys. If you want to speak इंग्लिश फ्लुएंटली यू हैव टू थिंक इन इंग्लिश। और जब तक आप हिंदी में सोच कर इंग्लिश बोलेंगे तो बोलेंगे स्लो, डर कर बोलेंगे, रुक रुक के बोलेंगे। बट द मोमेंट you start learning in English, your mind starts creating English, right? So this is not just a spoken class, this is a brain training program to help you speak without fear, without translation and without delay, and I am proud that you are here. Now let's come to the structure of the day, that is could you please plus v1. This one simple line can change how you talk to the world. Let me explain how. Why do we use could you please? Okay, well, imagine you want to ask someone for help. You can say help me, but that's a little rude, right? You can say could you please help me, and now you sound respectful, polite, smart and fluent. That's the difference between directly word and could you please with that word. So let's break the sentence. Okay, could means क्या आप कर सकते हैं, you means आप, please मतलब कृपया, to show your respect. Okay, then comes the main verb, that is the action. And yes, verb हमेशा base form में होती है, राइट? ना कि उसमें एस और एस लगाओ, नो आई एन जी, कोई भी ई डी वेडे नहीं, ओरिजिनल फॉर्म. एग्जाम्पल्स, लेट्स गो. ओके, स्पीक आफ्टर मी, फील द वर्ड्स. ओके, could you please open the door, could you please help me for a second, could you please repeat after me, or could you please pass me the water, could you please explain it again. Perfect. Now tell me, doesn't it sound professional, respectful? Yes, na, you are not just speaking English, you are speaking like a gentleman, like a lady, like a professional communicator. Now imagine the scene, that is you are in the classroom and teacher is speaking too fast. Then what do you say? Then you will say, could you please speak slowly, sir? And the teacher smiles and then say, yes, why not, of course beta ji. You are at home, you want your little brother to move. Instead of shouting, then you say, could you please move a little please. And if you are in an office, then you want a file and you can say, could you please send me that file on WhatsApp. That's a boom, you are now speaking real, powerful, respectful English. Okay, now let's practice, and this is your turn. Okay, I will say the Hindi word and you say the English in your mind, then check with me. Okay, कृपया मुझे एक गिलास पानी दे दीजिए. Could you please give me a glass of water? Okay, second word, कृपया मुझे हेल्प करिए. Could you please help me? Okay, कृपया मुझे वापस बता दीजिए. Could you please explain it again? Okay, okay, कृपया टीवी का वॉल्यूम कम करिए. Could you please lower the volume? Yes, that's very great. You are getting it. You are not just learning, you are transforming. Okay, now I have a surprise for all of you guys. Now listen to me carefully. I know some students want to learn grammar rules clearly, but in Hindi. That's why I have started a brand new 1-minute Hindi English grammar series on this same channel. Okay, so in this short videos, easy rules, Hindi explanation and daily uploads. So now you get a spoken English in English plus grammar help in Hindi. Double learning na, double speed and double results. And the today's homework, that will be, use could you please in your real life. Say it to your mom, your friend, your teacher or even a stranger just once and then comment below, sir, I used it in real life. Day 12 done, and I will reply, because when you speak I celebrate, really. But before you go, let me tell you something from the heart. You are not weak, okay? You are not late, okay? And you are not less than anyone. You just need one thing, that is consistent practice. So please subscribe if you haven't, share with a friend, and join me again tomorrow for day 13. Because we are going step by step towards the day when you will say, I can speak English and I did it. And I'll say, yes, you truly can. Bye for now. Lots of love, lots of respect, and yes, could you please keep learning? And could you please subscribe my channel? Or could you please like my channel? And please, could you come again in my 13th video? Okay, so till then, bye bye. See you.